Okay, we're back. This is our kind of a continuance video from our first YouTube channel video. I showed everybody about pressurizing the engine and checking for leaks. There's something I thought I would do. Another little trick I've learned over the years of drag racing and hanging out with very smart people. We still have the engine buttoned up tight. We've tightened everything down. We've air checked it again, and we just have a little spot of a leak. And I thought, you know, instead of going ahead and pulling the intake back off or doing anything special, I want to show people what they can do if they're at the drag strip, they're at some place, and they need to fix something immediately. We just hooked it up to a vacuum cleaner, pulled the filter out. Make sure you don't have anything explosive or anything like that. I like to use what's called Ultra Black. It's a nice silicone. It's a gasket maker. It's oil resistant. It's easy to clean up with acetone, or commonly known brake spray. So we're going to go over to the front of our engine, and we have a slight leak right here where I improperly installed silicone. If Elena would turn on the vacuum cleaner and help me. The vacuum is on, and we've got right here. We can take a little brake spray, spray it in there to clean itself, clean the outside. Take us a little bit of our silicone, unscrew the cap here. Pretty amazing stuff. Just a little dab of do you. Lift our lines up out of the way. And we're going to go right in here, and you can kind of hear it as it sucks the silicone into the gap. Now the neat thing about this is it looks awful, but once we suck the silicone in there, and it's starting to suck it in as we speak, I can take a towel and wipe the extra residue off, and this will seal up that spot. It's kind of a janky way to do it. If you'll pull the vacuum cleaner off, please, or shut it off. We're gonna go back in, clean up after it tacks up a second with just a paper towel, a little bit of brake spray, and then you can go to the next round drag racing. Know the difference if I didn't show you this, but it's a nice way to have a quick fix with the vacuum cleaner. And that's what we're learning. We're learning different ways of doing things. Have a good evening.